Everyone keeps saying invest in the stock market. But if you're South African and you've never done it before, that sentence means absolutely nothing. So let me actually explain it in a way that makes sense. What is the JSE 008 to 022? The JSE stands for the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. It's been around since 1887, making it one of the oldest stock exchanges in the world. And it's the biggest on the entire African continent. Think of it like a giant marketplace. But instead of buying groceries or clothes, you're buying tiny pieces of real South African companies. Companies like Naspers, MTN, Woolworths, and Capitec. When you own a piece of a company, you're called a shareholder. How you make money, 022 to 042. Now here's the part everyone wants to know. How do you actually make money from this? There are two ways. The first is capital growth. That means the share price goes up over time, so the piece you bought is now worth more than what you paid for it. The second way is dividends. Some companies literally pay you a portion of their profits, just for holding their shares. You don't have to do anything. The money comes to you. And the best part? You don't need to be wealthy to start. Some investment platforms in South Africa let you begin with as little as 300 Rand a month. ETF explanation, 042 to 052. If picking individual shares feels overwhelming, there's an easier option called an ETF, an exchange-traded fund. Think of it like a braai pack. Instead of buying one piece of meat, you get a variety sitombali all in one. An ETF bundles the top companies on the JSE into one simple investment. Lower risk, less stress. Still growing your money. Call to action, 052 to 060. In the next Rand Smart video, I'm going to show you exactly which platforms South Africans are using to start investing and how to open your very first account step by step. Make sure you're following so you don't miss it.